Hi guys, Happy New Year to you all and welcome back to the barn and my 12 days of woodworking tips. Sometimes when making these thin cuts, your offcut or even the piece that you're cutting can fall down inside the saw and either jam the motor or cause kickback, or it just clogs the inside of your saw with debris and sawdust. The Rage 5 is particularly prone to this. So to overcome this problem, you can exchange the standard insert plate for a zero clearance plate like this. And full disclosure, Evolution sent me this for free. Thank you guys. It may also save some breakout too. However, if you don't have a zero insert plate, or you haven't got the time or the inclination to make you one, here's a little hack that may help you. There, much better. So there you go guys, a short video about zero insert plates and a little tape hack to get you over an issue if you've not got one. And this is my New Year's revolution. You get it? New Year's revolution. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to spend most of my time doing this year. Woodwork, housework, learn French, car woodwork. Oh, woodwork. Blimey, housework. Right, I'll see you tomorrow guys. Bye.